Welcome back. Today for math, we are going to solve a story problem using 10 and some to make a teen number. We are going to use manipulatives and a 10 frame. Before we start solving the problem, let's identify what we need to do and what numbers we need to work with. I will read the story problem with you. Ted has 10 candies. Fred has 7 candies. What is the sum of both boys' candies? So, we're going to circle our numbers, the 10 and the 7. And if you'll look at the question, it says, what is the sum of both boys' candies? When you see that word sum, you know that sum is a Gus the Plus word from our previous Gus the Plus addition lessons. So we are adding 10 and 7. We are going to use the candy manipulatives. You don't have to use candies. You can use your cubes or chips, pennies, whatever you have lying around. They can represent your candies. I have two 10 frames. I'm going to put the candies in the 10 frames. How many candies does Ted have? 10. So I'm going to fill up 10 spaces in my first 10 frame. I always start at the top and go from left to right when I'm filling a 10 frame. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here is Ted's 10 candies. Did you notice that when we did 10, we filled up the entire 10 frame with no spaces? You should be able to look at that and say, oh, I can see that's 10, and you don't even have to count it. All right, so Ted has 10 candies. Fred has 7 candies. So at the bottom 10, in the bottom 10 frame, we're going to put 7 candies. We are going to start from left, move our way right, and from the top to the bottom. Let's count to 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7 candies on the bottom 10 frame. If you will look at our number sentence and our 10 frame match. 10 plus 7, 10 plus 7. Let's count on from the 10 to find our answer. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. I have 17 as an answer. I'm going to count them by ones to double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. We got the same number both times. We know this is correct. So now I can write Ted and Fred, or I can just say they for Ted and Fred. They have 17 candies. And 17, that is our sum. All right. Here is all of my work, and of course, the lovely tin frame candies. So, now you are ready to go look on your weekly calendar and solve today's story problems. I cannot wait to see your work. Goodbye, boys and girls.